The sacred hill Taranga is located in the Aravali range in Mehsana district of Ahmedabad. The ancient name of Taranga hill was Tarapur. As it is very close to Sidhpur, I decided to go to Taranga hill from Sidhpur, which was not part of my original itinerary. Taranga was mentioned by Gunakriti in the Tirtha Vandana written in the 15th century. Road conditions are good till we reach on top of the hill. And here we are looking at the magnificent Ajitanatha Tirthankara's temple on top of Taranga hill. It is one of the well preserved temples of India. Its architecture is amazing and definitely one would appreciate. Unfortunately, we can't take pictures inside, so I cannot show you anything inside. Inside the temple, there is a tall Ajitanatha Tirthankara's murti, which is in marble. Outside the temple, we can see mesmerizing, intricate work. Sidhpur, I came to Taranga hill. Here there is one Jain temple. It is supposed to be very sacred for Jains. It's a pilgrimage center for Jains. A beautiful temple, but can't take pictures. Only from outside we can take some pictures, but we can't take anything inside. Inside there is a temple for Ajitanatha, who is the second Tirthankara. This temple was built by Kumarapala 1000 years ago. And I was like, oh, there's no experience, what to do going back. Then I realized that there are three temples behind the main temple where we need to climb up for about an hour. Then I was also thinking, I don't have anybody to come with me to show me the way. Then I found a couple of bunch of people who are going there. I'm going with them. Nice view. So Neeta has come with her family and friends. Oh, it's fun finding somebody in the new place, going with them. I'm enjoying this. I found Neeta here. We had a short chat and we became friends. Hi Neeta.
हाय गिरिजा, कितना अच्छा लगा तुम्हें मिलके कि तुम बेंगलोर से यहाँ पे ऐसे ट्रिप कर रही हो और गुजरात में पहली बार आए हो आप। और आई होप कि तुम्हें बहुत अच्छा लगा होगा। और अभी एक के बाद एक आप गुजरात में अगर प्लेस जानेंगे तो आपको पता चलेगा कि कितनी सच अ ब्यूटीफुल एंड हिस्टोरिकल प्लेस ओवर हियर। थैंक यू सो मच।
While climbing up the hill, we can see other two small hillocks on other side of the Ajitanatha temple. Even they are easily accessible, which is, I believe, 20 to 30 minutes climb. Even this hill was, somebody had told me it takes 1 hour to climb, but it just took 15-20 minutes. There is a nice bhojanalaya next to the temple. They provide simple food. I was very hungry and I was looking for some eateries. Then somebody directed me there. It's a simple joint where they provide poha, bhaji and pakodas. And also I think during lunch hour they have some simple lunch available. I had poha. It was very tasty, and after filling my tummy, then I started to climb the hill. Really like the way temple authorities have provided many facilities. We cannot take our baggage inside the temple. We need to keep it outside in the locker. More steps are there. We need to leave our shoes and go up. Huh. There are two small shrines and a great view from the top of the hill. Someone had told me it takes 1 hour to reach on top of the hill, but it is just 15-20 minutes climb. Not at all a difficult climb. It's nice, it's fun. So I have here with me Neeta's son.
I'm Devam Desai, studying in class 7th.
Wow. What history you know about this one?
This is a मीन्स जहाँ तक मुझे पता है कि ये जो राजपूत एरा था जो मीडिएवल एज भी कहा जाता था,
हाँ.
तो उसमें जो सोलंकी डायनेस्टी का किंग कुमारपाल थे, तो उस जो टेंपल में भी आप जाएंगे तो आपको देखने को मिलेगा वो सब. तो उन्होंने सब मीडिएवल एज के दौरान बिल्ड करवाया था. और ये मेन जैनिज्म का है ये सब आप टेंपल्स जो देरासर कहा जाता है.
Thank you. You know so much. It's a pilgrimage place for Jains, and they consider it as one of their 5 Mahatirthas. Both Digambar Jains and Shwetambar Jains consider this as their sacred place. Not only Jainism, this place has a great significance for Buddhism as well. This whole hill has a lot of history. While Kumarapala built it in 12th century, even before that scholars have identified Buddhist presence by 4th century or 5th century. I can imagine far from the city on top of the hill how these munis have selected this place and lived here for many years. Maybe their taposhakti which kept this temple unharmed by any Islamic attack. One thing that makes me feel humble is the Shraddha and the devotion. Whether they are physically fit or strong or not, doesn't matter. Devotion and willingness will take all the way up to the hill and closer to the God. Neeta, I'm leaving now. Next time you will be my host. I'll come to your place.
Yeah, thank you so much, Girija, and we also really enjoyed your company, and hope next time we will get more and more time with you.
Yeah.
Thank
See
you so
then.
much. See
Bye
you.
bye.
Bye-bye.
Bye. Thank you. I had read that 300 Jain Munis had taken Salekhana on the top of this Taranga hill. It is one of the very revered place for Jains. As our little historian was mentioning, it was built by Kumarpala, who was the king who is associated with Patola silk as well. He was wearing everyday Patola silk to temple. Taranga hill is also famous as Nirvana Kshetra because many munis attained nirvana in this place. After soaking in the spiritually enriched land, I had to end my day to move to my next destination. Some travel tips for those who travel to Tarang Hill. There is a road until the temple on Ajitanatha Tirthankara temple, and there is a very nice small bhojanalay available where you can get simple food. No restaurants available. Washrooms are available, And for Jain pilgrims, I was told that even accommodation is available.